Welcome. In front of me is a CROSSCALL Action-X3, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up the Settings app right here, and then scroll all the way down. You will find Backup and Reset, and then Factory Data Reset. Get a little notification about the consequences of this process, so just once you're ready you can tap on Reset Phone and then erase everything, and the process will begin. It will take a couple of minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we'll be then greeted with the Google setup or Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that's actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up the device as you like. So that concludes the basically hard reset, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.